students. Today we will start chapter 9 soil part 2. Now properties of soil. First, percolation of water through the soil. Percolation can be defined as the property of the soil by which it allows the flow of water through it. The rate at which water percolates or moves through soils may vary in different kind of soils. Some soils absorb water while others allow it to flow through them. The rate of percolation can be calculated by percolation rate is equal to amount of water upon percolation time. Second, moisture. Moisture is the amount of water that is present in the soil. Even a dry soil has some amount of moisture in the air. However, the clay soil has the highest content of moisture. Why air above farmland appears shimmering during the daytime? We know that soil contains water. Due to sunlight, the water from the soil begins to evaporate and turns into water vapor. This water vapor, when reflects the sunlight, appears as if it is shining, and hence the air above the soil makes the land look shimmery. Absorption. Every soil has a water absorption capacity which depends upon how porous the soil is. Clay and loamy soils are most porous, hence can retain water in large quantities. That is why crops can grow over these soils. Sandy soils, on the other hand, do not absorb water and hence do not support much vegetation. Texture. The texture is the size of particles of the soil. Different kinds of soils have a different texture. Color. Different soils have different colors as well. This is because of the minerals and nutrients present in the soil. For instance, some soils are black in color because of the presence of humus and minerals, while some soils are red in color because they have iron in large quantities in them. pH of soil. Soils have different pH depending upon their acidic, basic or neutral nature. Based upon the pH, different types of crops grow in the soil. Air content. Since soil is made up of particles of different sizes, these particles can be loosely bound or tightly bound. The air often occupies the space in between these particles. This allows life to sustain in the soil, such as microorganisms. Now, soil properties. Properties: water holding capacity. Sandy soil have low water holding capacity, silt medium to high, and clay soil high. Drainage rate: sandy soil high, silt soil low to medium, and clay soil very low. Cohesion between particles: sandy soil very low, silt soil medium to high, and clay very high. Organic material content: low, silt soil medium to high, and clay soil medium to high. Shrink and swell potential: sandy soil low, silt soil medium to high, and clay soil high. Soil and crops. Different kinds of soils are found in different regions because of the following factors that decide the soil structure of that place, like temperature, humidity, rainfall, sunlight and winds. The type of crops that will grow in the soil depends upon these factors as well as the properties of a soil. Type of soil. In sandy soil, crops grown are potato, lettuce, corn, peppers. In clay soil, sprouts, broccoli, kale, beans and cabbage. In loamy soil, apples, carrots, tomatoes and cucumber. What is soil erosion? When the top layer of soil gets removed, it is called soil erosion. The soil erosion mainly occurs when the soil is left loose without vegetation or when deforestation occurs. In such a situation, strong winds and flowing water or rainwater takes away the topsoil and therefore decreases its quality. Also, this kills the organisms living inside the soil. The roots of the plants and trees keep the soil together and allow several microorganisms to grow and survive there. Therefore, it is always advised to plant more trees and avoid deforestation. At last, summarize the chapter. Soil is important for life on the earth. Soil profile is a section through different layers of the soil. Various layers are called horizons. Soil is of different types: clay, loamy and sandy. Percolation rate of water is different in different types of soil. It is highest in the sandy soil and least in the clay soil. Different types of soils are used to cultivate different types of crops. Clay and loam are suitable for growing wheat, gram and paddy. Cotton is grown in sandy loam soil. Soil holds water in it, which is called soil moisture. The capacity of soil to hold water is important for various crops. Clay soil is used to make pots, toys and statues. Thank you.